Foshan Coredeep Medical Apparatus Co. Limited was established in 2005, enjoying convenient transportation and nice environment. We are specialized in manufacturing dental equipment. Our main products including integral dental unit, air compressor, ceiling operation light, oral camera system, X-ray apron. We dedicated to strict quality control and thorough customer service. Our factory obeyed CE, ISO 13485 certificate authorized by TÜV-SÜD and certificate for exportation of medical products. Strict quality control is performed in every procedure from material, sourcing, processing, and testing to packing. Quality is the life of enterprise. Customer satisfaction is our goal. That is why our products command market both at home and abroad. Our experienced shipment department could arrange shipment directly, make the transportation convenient and affordable. We have continued to grow and develop in the storm, bravely face different kinds of difficulties, and build the foundation step by step. We believe that we will keep going, adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits. We have had a reputation amongst our customers because of our service, quality products, and competitive prices. We sincerely welcome customers from all over the world to cooperate with us for common success.